Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Gone Fishing'. This painting that I did today is inspired by a photo that was submitted by one of my Patreon members by the name of Nan Parham. I have a benefit for my Patreon members whereby every now and again I put out a call for photos. They'll submit them, I select some of them, turn them into YouTube tutorials, and as a thank you, I will send the original painting off to whoever submitted the photo. So if you're interested in learning how you too could submit your photos to me, or if you'd like to watch the full-length version of this video, or if you'd like to learn more about the Patreon membership program, where there is a lot of other benefits that you get to use that will help you to increase your painting and artistic skills, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that is going to conclude this painting. I really hope that you enjoyed the process. I hope you got yourself a couple of good tips on painting little people, and I look forward to painting and sipping with you again sometime.